I'm Steve Berrey, Global Leader of AI Solutions here at Onix. One of the industries we focus on here at Onix is manufacturing. Manufacturing companies struggle with delays due to quality control due to defects. Quickly finding the cause and preventing those defects in the future reduces those costly delays and improves overall quality in their products. Today I'm going to show you how we leverage generative AI and the multimodal capabilities of Gemini Pro to analyze images for defects and surface those findings through that same business intelligence dashboard. I'm going to start with the original dashboard that we produced for a manufacturer. Here we have some energy efficiency and the delayed production. As you can see, we have large delays daily during these dates. So we want to know why. What we've done is we've allowed a camera to take pictures of the manufacturing process, and then using Gemini Pro, we're analyzing those pictures to figure out what potential problems could be and what some causes might be. Here I'm doing it manually just to show you how it works, but we automated the whole system. So here I have a scratched pipe, and I'm going to submit it to Gemini Pro. This uses a saved prompt that we've designed to do certain analytics around the picture. So it's already back. It's analyzed the picture and said, hey, this is a scratched rod. There's a scratch on the rod, which is a defect. There's some potential causes that it's found, such as maybe it was scratched in the manufacturing process, maybe it was scratched during shipping and handling. Has a corrective action listed, and then it has some hashtags. All this information is then uploaded into BigQuery, which is the source for the dashboard. I'm going to go back to that for a moment. And here I can drill into a particular day and see that the data has been updated with defect tags. This is available to the generative AI to explain what's going on and offer solutions to the manager real time. So, thank you so much for your time and let me talk to you today. Goodbye, and hope to hear from you soon.